today?
Yep.
Yeah? You looking forward to it?
Yep.
Yeah? What you gonna do?
I don't know.
Eh?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are we getting you ready?
Nope.
Yeah?
Not yet.
Yeah?
No.
You wanna get ready?
Not yet.
Hang on.
Can we can, Dad?
Eh?
Can we can?
Yeah.
Okay, give me that.
I'm gonna get you ready for school, okay?
Oh.
Come on, Darian.
What is that?
Come get ready.
What is it, Dad?
Ready for school.
Wait, what are you putting the video camera? What?
So when we video you, when we go to school.
I bet Calvin.
Eh?
I bet Calvin, Dale and Kerry.
What about them?
I bet Dale. I bet everyone else, Dad.
They're all getting ready for school today as well. What?
I bet I'm getting pictures for you.
Eh?
How am I getting pictures from you?
Pictures?
Yeah.
Because I'm going to video you.
How no one else?
Because, well, they've got their own mummy and daddy. So, okay.
Well, they wouldn't get any pictures.
Oh, you're getting the video camera. You don't have to push these socks down, you know.
Yes.
Hey, come on.
Daddy, okay.
Yeah.
Dad, we
Shut.
play football in it.
Play football in what?
Playing football in our school.
Yeah.
We play with it.
Once you're there for a wee while, you'll probably be able to take a football in so you can play with it.
But I haven't got any football.
We'll have to buy you one then, won't we?
It's now.
No. When you've been at school a wee bit. Okay.
What can I bring? Toy.
Not today. Right?
How can I bring it?
Because it's not like your other school, son. Give me your arm. It's not like your other school. This is a big school now.
How?
Eh?
Can I take my cyber pen and show them?
No. You can't, pal. You're not allowed to take toys today. Because there's a lot of toys in the school.
But my wee cyber pen would just want me.
I'll look after it for you.
Well, because you got to feed it
Yeah.
and clean up the poo.
Mm-hmm.
Because you got to do everything for that.
Yeah.
All of that stuff to clean up.
Yeah.
And you can play.
Yeah, I know. Right, come here.
And I put my tie on.
Eh?
I put my tie on.
You need the tie.
How?
Because you're at school now. Okay?
Oh, I'm tired.
Okay, you're tired already.
How? Because I don't know what work.
You done a lot of work?
Uh-huh.
How did you do a lot of work?
For my trucking set.
Right, come round.
I couldn't help it. And then my wee dog was doing the toilet on the carpet. I just cleaned it up.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I know how to clean it up now.
Come round. Come round to put your collar down.
Collar down.
Yeah, that's just a collar around your neck.
Sorry.
Round. That's it. Come round.
I bet you get my blazer on.
Yeah.
I got my own jacket.
You get your jacket another day, son. Okay?
How?
So I want you to wear the blazer today.
I will just get my blazer.
Hmm?
I will just get my blazer.
Because that's what you wear to school. Right, come on, stand up properly.
How I got always my blazer?
Eh?
How I got always a blazer? How I got
Right. Trousers.
trousers?
Yeah.
Thirties. Thirties.
Yeah. Get these on. Right. Remember, the shirt has got to stay in
How?
because you wear shirts inside the trousers.
Like
Okay.
everyone else.
Yeah, everybody else will be like this, okay?
Tell my mum.
Mm-hmm.
You can't take your shoes off.
No, you've got to keep your shoes on. me see you? Right, sit down, we'll put your shoes on, okay?
Oh, that don't hurt me.
It won't hurt you. Otis, down. Down.
Down,
Down.
down. Oh, don't do that.
What?
Notice.
You're a big boy now.
Down.
Did you go into the big school?
I'm going 5 minutes.
You're going in about 10 minutes.
I'm going in 10 minutes. I'm going in 10 minutes. Who's going to pick me up?
Mummy and Daddy's coming back to get you.
Oh.
Yeah?
Oh.
Is that us?
That's what classroom I'll be in.
Primary 1.
But and what I'll be station 1.
Right.
Either
Come on.
what?
Up you get, let me see you.
Daddy.
Stand up.
Daddy. Daddy.
Right, turn round.
Daddy.
Turn round.
Dad.
Mummy will do your hair, right?
Daddy.
Do you want to go get
Daddy.
sweeties at the shops?
Why did you give me money?
Right, I'll give you money in a wee while. Turn round. Okay? All ready?
Yep.
We'll put your blazer on later. Yeah? Who are you talking to?
I'm going to school now. I'm going to school now. I'm at home. Yeah, I'm still waiting for it to open. Nope. It takes for 1 minute. Yeah. No. I got my clothes on now. And I got a play piece. It's crisps. Yeah. I know I'm going to school. Yeah. I got my new jacket. Daddy, tell my dad what jacket I am.
Your blazer?
It's my what? What else jacket?
Your big yellow and black jacket?
Big yellow one and my black jacket. Yeah.
Is that us ready to go?
Yeah. Yep. I'm going now.
See her after school.
Tell Gran you'll see her after school.
See her after school.
Bye.
Come on. Okay.
How I
You
got
ready?
put up there?
Yeah?
How I got put up there, Dad?
Because so you can put things in it. Okay?
Yep.
Right. Hey. Yeah. Never seen so many video cameras.
Oh, this is the boy speaking the phone.
Yeah.
Hi Stacey. How are you?
Ow.
Oh, stepped in shoe.
This is so good. Let me get on time. Does he want you to hold that hand? Go to there, Squeeze by. Bye, Donna. Bye, I'll see you in a wee while, right? Ta-ta, see you in a wee while. Bye, Caroline.
On you go. Hey, come on. Oh, it's okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later.